Denticore arrived on the dental care scene in early 2025. It made a significant splash. The product promised a revolutionary approach to oral hygiene. Many people are looking for better ways to care for their teeth and gums. Denticore claimed to be the answer they were searching for. Its marketing suggested it could transform your daily dental routine. It aimed to offer more than just basic cleaning. The core idea was to support overall oral wellness from within, a concept that resonates with a holistic view of health. Many people were intrigued by these initial bold statements about its capabilities for dental improvement. The specific promises of Denticore were quite extensive and appealing. The product claimed to significantly whiten teeth within weeks. It also suggested it could strengthen gums, reducing bleeding and sensitivity. Fresher breath, a common concern, was another key benefit highlighted. Beyond these, Denticore hinted at deeper actions, such as supporting the mouth's natural defense mechanisms. It also aimed to help balance the oral microbiome, which is crucial for long-term dental health. These claims suggested Denticore wasn't just a cosmetic fix. It was presented as a comprehensive solution for a healthy mouth, addressing multiple concerns simultaneously. The marketing campaign for Denticore was energetic and widespread. Advertisements appeared across various platforms, showcasing happy individuals with perfect smiles. Influencers on social media shared their initial positive impressions. The company used language that sounded scientific and advanced. This created an aura of credibility and innovation around the product. They often spoke of unique ingredients and a special formulation. This strategy aimed to capture the attention of consumers tired of ordinary toothpastes and mouthwashes. The buzz was certainly palpable, making many wonder if this was a genuine breakthrough in dental care. With such ambitious claims and prominent marketing, a central question naturally arises. Does Denticore truly live up to the significant hype surrounding its launch? Is it the groundbreaking dental solution that so many hope for? Or could it be another product that overpromises and ultimately underdelivers on its core assertions? It is important to look beyond the initial excitement. We need to examine the evidence from users and experts. This will help us understand the real impact of Denticore. This careful evaluation is essential for anyone considering adding it to their daily oral care regimen. When a new product like Denticore launches, personal stories from users quickly emerge. These testimonials often paint a vivid picture for potential buyers. Many people rely on these shared experiences to gauge if a product might work for them. For Denticore, the initial wave of user feedback has been quite mixed, reflecting a spectrum of outcomes. Some users have reported truly positive changes in their oral health. They share stories of noticeable improvements. These accounts contribute significantly to the ongoing discussion about the product's effectiveness. It's these real-world applications that start to test the company's initial bold claims. Looking at the positive reviews, several common themes appear. Numerous users have expressed satisfaction with the whitening effects of Denticore. They report their teeth looking visibly brighter after a few weeks of consistent use. Others have highlighted a reduction in gum sensitivity and bleeding, which is a significant relief for many. Some testimonials mention a lasting feeling of freshness in their mouth throughout the day. A few users even claim that their regular dental checkups showed improvements in plaque control after they started using Denticore. These positive stories suggest that for some individuals, the product seems to be delivering on at least some of its key promises. However, not all user experiences with Denticore have been glowing. A portion of reviews indicate disappointment or a lack of significant results. Some individuals reported using the product diligently for several weeks or even a couple of months without seeing the dramatic whitening or gum health improvements they expected. A smaller number of users mentioned mild, temporary irritations, such as a slight tingling sensation or dryness in the mouth. For these people, Denticore did not meet their expectations. Their experiences serve as a reminder that not every product works the same way for everyone, and results can vary widely. This variability in user experiences is quite common for health and wellness products. Individual results can be influenced by many factors. These include a person's existing dental condition, their diet, and their overall oral hygiene habits. Lifestyle choices such as smoking or consuming staining foods and drinks can also play a role. The consistency with which Denticore is used is another critical factor. Therefore, while user testimonials offer valuable insights, they don't provide a complete picture. It is important to consider these anecdotal accounts alongside more objective evaluations to form a balanced view of Denticore's potential. To truly assess Denticore, we must look beyond marketing and individual stories. The opinions of dental professionals and the available scientific evidence are crucial. Experts can analyze the product's formulation. They can also evaluate the plausibility of its claims based on established dental science. Their perspective helps to ground expectations and provide a more objective assessment of Denticore's place in oral healthcare. Many consumers look for this kind of validation before trusting a new product. It is important to see if the professional community supports the claims made by the Denticore team. This can offer a layer of assurance. Currently, in mid-2025, widespread endorsements from major dental associations are not yet prominent for Denticore. Some individual dentists might express cautious optimism if the ingredients align with known beneficial compounds. However, many professionals prefer to see long-term, independent studies before giving a full endorsement. There might be skepticism if Denticore's claims seem too broad or unsubstantiated by robust clinical trials. Dental experts often emphasize the foundational practices of brushing, flossing, and regular checkups. They would likely view Denticore as a potential supplement, not a replacement for these essential habits. Their primary concern is always patient safety and proven efficacy. When examining the scientific backing for Denticore, it is important to look at its ingredients. If the product contains well-researched components like fluoride for cavity prevention, xylitol for reducing harmful bacteria, or certain herbal extracts known for anti-inflammatory properties, then some benefits are plausible. However, if Denticore relies heavily on a proprietary blend without full disclosure, or if its key active ingredients lack strong peer-reviewed research supporting their specific dental applications, then skepticism is warranted. Consumers should look for transparent ingredient lists and references to credible studies. The strength of the science directly impacts the product's credibility. Ultimately, the professional dental community and scientific evidence provide a critical lens. If Denticore's formulation is sound and supported by good research, it may indeed offer benefits. However, if robust independent studies are lacking, or if claims are exaggerated beyond what the science supports, then caution is advised. Dental professionals generally recommend products that have a proven track record of safety and effectiveness. More time and research may be needed for Denticore to establish such a reputation within the expert community. Until then, it remains a newer player in the market, requiring careful consideration from consumers. Summarizing the potential benefits, Denticore aims to improve several aspects of oral health. Based on its claims and some positive user feedback, it might contribute to whiter teeth. It could also help in achieving fresher breath and potentially reduce gum sensitivity for some individuals. If its ingredients support a healthier oral microbiome, it could offer deeper, long-term advantages. These potential upsides are what attract consumers to the product. The idea of a single solution addressing multiple dental concerns is certainly appealing. However, it is important to remember that these benefits are not universally guaranteed for every user who tries the product. Regarding potential side effects and warnings, Denticore appears to be generally safe for most adults when used as directed. However, as with any oral care product, some individuals might experience minor issues. These could include temporary tooth sensitivity, especially if users have pre-existing enamel wear, mild gum irritation, or an allergic reaction to a specific ingredient, though uncommon, is also possible. It is usually recommended that pregnant or nursing women and individuals with serious pre-existing medical conditions or those taking multiple medications consult their dentist or doctor before trying any new health supplement or product, including Denticore. This ensures it aligns with their overall health plan. When considering Denticore as a buyer, evaluating its quality, effectiveness, and value for money is key. Quality can be assessed by looking at the transparency of its ingredient list and manufacturing standards. Effectiveness, as discussed, seems variable. It may work well for some, while others might see little change. Value for money depends on its price relative to its perceived benefits and compared to other established dental products. Does it offer a unique advantage that justifies its cost? Are there money-back guarantees or trial periods offered by the company? These factors contribute to the overall assessment of whether Denticore is a worthwhile purchase for an individual. In conclusion, Denticore presents itself as an innovative dental solution for 2025. It has garnered both positive attention and some skepticism. There are users who report beneficial outcomes, particularly in teeth whitening and gum comfort. However, these experiences are not universal, and comprehensive scientific validation from independent bodies is still developing. Denticore is not a scam in the sense of being a fraudulent enterprise, but its effectiveness can vary. Consumers should approach it with realistic expectations. Consulting with a dentist before trying Denticore is a wise step. It can be a useful addition for some, but it's not a magic bullet for all dental woes.